Good morning children. Today we are going to see how to find area of pathways. We come across pathways in different shapes. Here we are going to see about the two kinds of pathways, that is circular pathways and rectangular pathways. From this, today we are going to see about only the circular pathways. The circular pathways, we need to find the area of the pathway using the circular shapes. Here let us consider the radius of the outer circle be capital R and radius of the inner circle as small r. Using this radius, we are going to find the area of the pathway by the difference between the area of the outer circle and area of the inner circle. That can be written as area of a pathway is equal to area of outer circle minus area of the inner circle. That is, if we subtract the smaller circle from the bigger one, we will get this area. This is the area of the pathway. We know that area of a circle is pi r square. Then area of outer circle is pi capital R square, since the radius of the outer circle we taken as capital R. In the same way, minus area of an inner circle, that is pi r square. In this two, pi is common, so we are taking out the pi and we get r square, capital R square minus small r square square units. Therefore, the area of the circular pathway is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square square units. Using that formula, we are going to see how to solve the problems from exercise 2.3. First sum, find the area of a circular pathways whose outer radius is 32 cm and inner radius is 18 cm. Here they had given the outer radius of the circle is capital R equal to 32 cm and the radius of the inner circle is equal to 18 cm. Using these two radius, we are going to find out the area of a circular pathway. That is, area of a circular pathway equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square square units. Substituting it for r, capital R square and small r square, we get 22 by 7 into 32 square minus 18 square centimeter square. That is 22 by 7. To find out the value of 32 square, you have to multiply the 32 two times. That is 32 into 32. We will get the answer as 1024. The same way, to find 18 square, you have to multiply 18 into 18. We get the answer as 324. After multiplying it, you have to subtract it and get it as 700. That is 22 by 7 into 700. If you cancel by the common factor 7, it becomes 100. When we multiply 22 and 100, we get the answer as 2200 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the circular pathway is equal to 2200 centimeter square. Second sum, there is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 centimeter width is laid around the lawn. So, if you consider this as the lawn, circular lawn with the radius given as, the radius is given as 28 meter. Around this lawn, they are having the path of width 7 centimeter. That is, the distance between the circular lawn and the outer layer is 7 meter. To find out the outer radius, you have to add the radius of the lawn and the width of the pathway. Then we get that capital R, area of a lawn with path, that is the capital R. We get it as 28 plus 7, that is equal to 35 meter. Using this two radius, now we are going to find out the area of a circular pathway. Area of a circular pathway is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square, where capital R is the radius of the outer circle and small r is the radius of the inner circle. Then we are substituting it for capital R square and small r square. We get 22 by 7 into 35 square minus 28 square. After multiplying it and we subtract it, we get the answer as 22 by 7 into 441. Here also we are having the common factor 7. So we are dividing by 7. We get 7 becomes 1 and 441 becomes 63. Therefore, the value is 1386 meter square. That is, the area of the path is 1386 meter square. Third sum, a circular carpet whose radius is 106 cm is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 cm. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. This is the circular hall of radius 120 centimeter. In this hall, they had a circular carpet. This is the carpet with the radius of 106 centimeter. You have to find out what is the area of this uncovered area, uncovered with the carpet. Here also we are going to find out the area of the hall uncovered is equal to area of the hall minus area of the carpet. That is, both are in the circular shape, therefore pi into capital R square minus small r square. Here the capital R is 120 centimeter and the small r is 106 centimeter. Substituting is, we get the answer as 9944 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet is 9944 centimeter square. Fourth sum. A school ground is in the shape of a circle with a radius 103 meter. 4 tracks, each of 3 meter wide, has to be constructed inside the ground for the purpose of track events. Find the cost of constructing the track at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Here they had given the school ground is in the shape with the radius 103 centimeter. This is the circular ground with this radius 103 meter. In this circular ground, they are going to form at 4 tracks. The width of this each track is given as 3 meter. So to construct the 4 tracks, the distance between the four tracks with us 4 into 3, we get it as 12 meter. That is, width of 4 tracks is equal to 4 into 3, we get as 12 meter. The radius of the ground, it is the outer R, therefore the capital R is given as 103 meter. Using this, we are going to find out the inner radius, that is radius of the ground without the track, that is small r. We can get the small r from subtracting this 12 meter from the whole 103 meter. We get it as 91 meter. Using this capital R and small r, first we are going to find out the area of 4 tracks. Area of 4 tracks is equal to area of the ground minus area of the ground without the track. That is pi r square equal to pi capital R square is minus pi small r square. Substituting it for capital R and small r, we will get the answer as 7316.57 meter square. This is the area of 4 tracks. The next, they had given the cost of constructing a track. That is cost of constructing per square meter. It is given as 50. But now we are having 7316.57 meter square. So the cost of constructing 7316.57 meter square is equal to 7316.57 into 50. We get the value as 3,65,828.5. Therefore, cost of constructing the track is rupees 3,65,828 rupees and 50 paise. Thank you.